Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this juicer attachment that we got for the Kitchenaid. Great product. My husband loves it. He loves to make his fresh orange juice all the time. He just made some to show you guys. Really nice and simple. You put the attachment on the top of the Kitchenaid and then you add one of these pieces. It comes with a thicker one and a smaller one. He used both to show you. But the smaller one is more for like limes, lemons, smaller oranges as well. And then you got the bigger one for the big oranges, and they're easy. You just pull them right out and just switch them. So really simple. It also comes right here with this little drain, which I'm not gonna be able to take out, but it has like a little thing with holes, so the pulp stays on here and doesn't go into your juice. So that way you get just perfect, juice all the time. So this is really great, simple, easy to clean. It's perfect. It's a great attachment. It's not bulky. You can put it away, wash everything, and that's it. It's, great. You can juice, all types, lemons, grapefruits as well, oranges, limes, everything. So it's just perfect. I highly recommend this product. It works amazing and I highly recommend it. Bye.